Doggy, why'd you bother him?
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
videotape recording.
Is this like a porn movie?
Yeah. This is Ace in Heat. Ace, what are you doing, Ace? Yeah? That feels nice?
Changing it up a little. The speed.
Wow. Yeah, it does change the speed.
He's got a good technique, huh? For while that looks.
Yeah. How does he know how to do it? It's weird. Whoa, it's getting fat. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! This is something else. I've never seen this before. Whoa! I hope he's not peeing in
I
there.
hope there's not a wet spot.
I hope he's not peeing on it.
It's not gonna be pee. It's gonna be.
That pillow is freshly washed. What's he doing? He's making out with the pillow? This dog is weird.
Yes. Why don't you do it to the wolf pillow or something? OMG.
Ace, how does that feel? You like it? Do you enjoy that? Yeah? Oh, you want more? He wants more. Whoa, he's doing a fast one. Whoa, look! Oh my god!
You learned this from watching Daddy.
Ace, that pillow has just been washed. Get off of it now.